Good day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing desktop publishing, an important topic in journalism and media production. Now, in journalism, writing alone is not enough. How information is presented also matters. Now, desktop publishing focuses on designing and organizing text, like images and graphics to make the publications clear, attractive, and professional. Now, it plays a vital role in producing newspapers, magazines, and digital content that are easy to read and visually appealing. Now, through this presentation, I will explain what desktop publishing is, its purpose, process, features, and why it is essential in journalism. Okay, everyone, kindly read. Okay, thank you. Now, this idea is basically saying that desktop publishing is about design control. It allows the creator to decide exactly how a page should look before it is printed or shared online. Now, instead of computer deciding where text or images go, the user controls the layout, spacing, and the visual balance. Now, this helps make information easier to read and more fully visually organized. So, for example, in campus journalism context. Now, in campus journalism, this is useful when designing a school newspaper. For instance, the editor can choose where the headline appears, how many columns an article should have, and where photos are placed. Now, if a picture needs to align perfectly with the story, desktop publishing makes that possible, resulting in a clean and professional page. Now, next is the desktop publishing software. Everyone, kindly read. Okay, thank you. Now, it highlights that desktop publishing software is designed to give users precise control over page design. Advanced tools like typography, settings, grid systems, and style sheets help maintain consistency and structure across pages. Now, these features make it easier to polish professional documents quickly and accurately. Then, the software is used by professionals who needs high quality layouts such as journalists, designers, marketers, and of course, educators. For example, in campus journalism context. In campus newspaper. Now, desktop publishing software allows editors to ensure that all headlines, columns, and images follow the same style throughout the issue. For instance, a style sheet can automatically format all articles to the same font, size, and color. Now, grid system help align text and images neatly. And typography adjustments make sure articles are easy to read. Now, this makes the student's publication look professional, even though it is created by the students. Now, moving on is the purpose. Everyone, kindly read. Okay, thank you. Now, this slide explains why desktop publishing is important in practice. Its main role is to help creators present information in a way that looks polished, and easy to read, and makes sense the audience, of course. Now, good layout guides the reader's eyes. Now, it highlights the important information and prevent confusion. It also ensures that the same content can be shared effectively, whether it will be printed or viewed on the screen. Now, for our example, again, in campus journalism context. Now, in campus journalism, this is seen when school paper looks organized and professional instead of crowded or messy. Now, for example, articles are arranged into clear sections, headlines, standout, and photos to support the stories. Whether the paper is printed for distribution or uploaded online, desktop publishing ensures the content remains readable and visually appealing. Now next, everyone, please read. Okay, thank you. Now, desktop publishing process describes the step-by-step workflow of how a publication is created using desktop publishing. Now, it shows that producing a layout is not done all at once but follows a sequence, of course. Now, starting from gathering the content, and ending with preparing it for release. Now, each step helps improve clarity, organization, and overall presentation before the material reaches the audience. Now, again, for our example, in campus journalism context, now in a campus newspaper, writers first submit their articles and photographers submit images. Now, the layout editor then places these elements on to the page using layout software. The fonts, spacing, and alignment are adjusted so the page is easy to read, of course. Now, before printing or posting online, the team checks the layout for, of course, errors to make sure everything looks professional. Understood? Okay, thank you, everyone. Please read. Okay, thank you. Now, moving on are the key features of desktop software. Now, these features allows users to design pages with precision and consistency. They help control how text looks, how content is arranged on page, and how images fit within the layout. Now, by using these tools, creators can maintain a clean structure, avoid clutter, and ensure that every page follows the same visual style. Now, for our example, again, in campus journalism context, in campus newspaper, again, these features helps keep all pages uniform. For example, articles are placed into a text frame so they can be moved without affecting the other content. And master pages ensure that page numbers and headers appear on the same appears on every page rather. Now, everyone, for the last, please read. Okay, thank you. Now, lastly are the advantages of desktop publishing. Now, these points show why desktop publishing is a valuable tool. Now, it helps create publications without spending too much money, produces professional looking pages, and allows content to be edited or updated easily. Now, it's also flexible, meaning it works for both small projects like a school newsletter and larger ones like a full campus newspapers. Again, for example, a student newspaper can use desktop publishing to design its monthly issue without hiring professional printers. If an article or photo needs to be uploaded before printing, changes can be made quickly, even for a large 20-page campus magazine. The same software ensures all pages stay consistent and professional, saving time and effort for the students' editors. Now, thank you everyone. That ends my part and I hope you learned something.